Do you neglect the extraordinary benefits that drinking carrot juice can have on your health? If having healthy eyes and skin are important to you, then perhaps you should rethink your stance on carrot juice. Some people love the taste, while others think the taste leaves a bit to be desired. Not to worry, there are many recipes available now that will help ease that juice down. When you regularly consume carrot juice, you will notice that the quality of the health of your skin greatly improves. Carrots contain lots of vitamin A, which is necessary for healthy skin. You might notice that your skin seems to glow now. And you can forget about dry, scaly skin as well. Carrots are also known for helping you to maintain skin that seems to defy age and prevent premature wrinkling. As we age, our eyesight diminishes, and this is regardless of whether you never had eyesight problems or not. One common result of a vitamin A deficiency is problems with focusing on objects after looking at them. You might also notice that you have a problem adjusting from bright to dim light. A great way to combat this is by increasing your intake of vitamin A, and carrot juice is just the answer. For those that have a problem consuming the juice straight, then it is a good idea to simply add a few carrots to your favorite juice recipe. Carrots are unique in that their flavor blends with just about every veggie you would make a mix of. Many juices comment that they are able to add the carrots and barely even notice they were included. In fact, adding carrots to your juices will reduce the need to add sweeteners because carrots are naturally sweet. So make the jump and add carrot juice to your regular routine. The health benefits are second to none.